Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is another great day. You know why it's another great day? I'm gonna tell you why. Today is Friday and the market is kind of slow for me, or I don't know, for you. Because it's just slow because leading gapper is like 25%, 24 and 17, and I mean, that's really slow. So, but we had a great opportunity to trade, so I'm gonna show you what's the trade for today. Okay, my only trade, one and only trade is SGOC. It was the fourth leading gapper at around before whatever time, and then 5 minutes before the open, it becomes the second leading gapper. The first gapper is I don't like because it's just a dollar something. I didn't really care to check it. Um, so yeah, this is my first trade here. I'm trying to entry is the break of this previous high, which is 13.75 70 ish something. Let's see. So this for some reason I have no leverage on the stock, so I'm just using my equity, my maximum equity. So 13.75 is the entry, and it's like I went for an early entry to anticipate a break of 14, and it's like for 20 seconds before the bell opens. So let's see how it goes. 1375 is the average. Actually, my target is this one. If you can see it on my daily chart, here I drew a descending trend line. Descending trend line here. So this next to the red one is blue because it's still a pre-market, and let's see if when it opens it will change to either red or green. So you will easily see it. Bam, now it opens. So now it's red. So that's my target line. It's around 14-ish. For some reason I just sold it at 13.85, 10 cents. It's okay because sometimes in life you just press your sell button and everything is just sold. I was just looking at it and then yeah, so it's okay. So yeah, am I wrong? Am I right on that? Yes, I'm right on that. So this is the descending trend line here. So it tapped that and tapped that, and yeah, it's coming to tap that line right there. So, and psychological resistance as well is, I think, coincides with 1450. So it's okay. 1450 is should be a good um, target, but for some reason we sold the position right away. But that's okay. So my first trade is 52.66. I can only buy 500 shares, or maybe more if, or yeah, or maybe more, but I choose to use 500 shares. And the second trade is oh, see, now we have this line here. I drew a support line here. Also, this is my I drew this as my trend line, ascending trend line here as a support, a resistance. You see it becomes a support in here and becomes a resistance, and another resistance here, and then I broke it, and then becomes support, 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 support in here. And now I'm thinking of buying on this dip, but I said it's going lower than the support, so I will find a new support. So I drew this line here. It's around 1240. Let's see what happens. So 1240 is a good entry, good deep entry. Let's forward it. Forward. See, so my entry was 1247. It's kind of bouncing back. See, almost stopped 20 EMA on the 5 minute. So like they both correlate to each other. The 5 minute here, it has a support, and it has a support in here as well. Not your moving average, but we found a support. So it kind of it validates, it double validates your support area, right? Which you make you feel more confident. But if it broke that, then you broke that. You will break that because you just have to react on how the market goes. So 47 is the entry. What will be my target? Target could be on the 1 minute is the 20 EMA right here, the gray one, which is around 1291 ish. Or you could use this as well, your 5 minute chart at the 9 EMA, the gray one here, which is 1265, and it's just like 20 cents from my entry. 20 cents is still good, but let's see what happens. So it's trying to bounce back. Why is it trying to bounce back? Because when you drop a ball in the support, it won't. If the ball is really heavy, then it will go through to your support. It will go through the ground. But if not, we will do a little bounce, like bounce. That's the idea of it. And most traders, like even you, knows about that. So I should, yeah. So let's see. I'm giving it a chance. For me to get out, it should broke the lower this the low of this candle right here. If it broke that, I think I'm willing to like go like 20 cents as an exit. I will cut my losses below 20 cents from my entry, but I'm pretty sure it will bounce back. Not much, but a bounce is a bounce. See, it's bouncing back, and it will tap that. Oh, I sold it at 1270. 1290. What was I thinking was 1290, but that's okay. So sold at 1270. That's almost not 30 cents, but 23 cents. 23 cents. So I made 167 today. 7 minutes of trading after the bell, and I feel so happy about that, and I'm so grateful about that. And this week, we all know that this week is I got smoked last Tuesday, and that's a lot. And that's okay because it's just part of the game. So if we do a recap now for my week trade, for how it goes on my first week, I'm down, I'm negative, but that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn a lesson. So I must enjoy the process, and I must learn. I must learn the lesson. Not just you enjoy the process, you enjoy your winnings, and then what would you do with your bad trades? Like go crazy about it? No, take it as a lesson. I'm taking it as a lesson, and then and this will help me build my trading, you know. Yeah, because I'm thinking about this. I'm thinking about this and doing about this and saying about this because I want to keep doing this for as long as I can, like until whatever old I get. Okay? So, I'm happy, I'm grateful for the lessons that I had, and I'm happy for my trade this week, and I hope we have a good momentum next week and the other last week of July. And thank you guys for watching my videos. I love you. I'll see you again next week. Have a great weekend. Oh, kiss me.